Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Wednesday. I almost get confused on what the day is because of July 4th. It's July 5th, as you can see, about 4 o'clock in the p.m. And this is the summary report for, I believe, day number 45. Oh, man, I think so. And yeah, just if you're new here, basically this is I journal my trades and my trading journey, and I share everything. It's very important to me that I'm fully transparent. That means you're gonna see everything. I show my profit and loss and trade live every day as well. So yeah, we'll just jump right in and review my trades, kind of where how the day went. Try not to make this too long of a video. But yeah, today was I was a little bit, I don't know, it was kind of a meh day. Definitely nothing great. Had a couple bad entries. Wasn't seeing the market that well early. And then also just kind of as a summary, I really am going to focus on not doing my runners anymore. Starting tomorrow, we are just going to focus on, for the NQ, my profit target is usually 30 ticks unless, I see something different. But usually my profit target is 30 ticks. And I'm just going to focus on that and really just let go of the runners. They've been hurting me more than they've been benefiting me. So at least for the time being, we're just going to focus on taking our profit, and then we'll look for another entry. And obviously, if I see, big momentum and, I see a lot more upside than 30 ticks, then we'll try and capture more. But yeah, that's kind of an update, kind of the plan. This morning, just to quickly go over some of the trades, we had our first trade right here. Obviously, the markets, basically opened up and just immediately, we didn't pull back or nothing. We just immediately shot up. I was a little bit disappointed. I was a little bit hesitant on pulling the trigger on this entry here, on this pullback entry. Had a really good signal bar, had a great setup, and should have taken that trade. We had a lot of volatility here, but yeah, it was, quite a bit of volatility here, but still it was a great setup. Would have been a really nice trade. Obviously that's hindsight, but I was a little disappointed missing that move. We did, get another pullback here, and then did enter right here on this pullback and entered on this bar right here. Took our first profit right here, and then almost immediately got stopped out for break even on my runner, which, it is what it is. Then here we did make new highs, made another move up. Then we pulled back quite a bit more, and we had our first entry here to, a long. We pulled back, and here I'm not sure why I really, this should have been my entry right here on this second attempt long. Should have been my entry right here. Obviously we pulled back again here, and we failed to make new lows. And on this entry bar, once we got above this, I went long right there, obviously looking for this to at least, my first profit target was at the highs of this move. And, I can kind of see that, but my better entry should have been here. But as you can see, we did a kind of attempt to push higher, and then we just sold off and got stopped out, as you can see, but kind of got trapped right there. And then we entered another trade here after this, just a lot of consolidation, and we tried a long right here. Thought, after, this breakout, kind of traded a breakout right here, which I've not been that successful on trading these breakouts. It did look like we were going to break out. I was like 24 ticks in profit on this trade, but my profit target was at 30 ticks. And we failed. We pulled back again, and we tried it again. Honestly, on this move here, I was very, very close to just closing the trade in profit, in about 20 ticks profit, to just lock in some profit. I didn't really like the price action when we failed to push above this on this attempt. But I'm trying to be patient with my trades. I'm trying to let my trades work and not take my profit too soon. So I was patient and paid the price, and it stopped me out. So again, I don't want to just, base everything off of one trade, but that was a little bit difficult for me. I was a little bit frustrated there that I didn't just take my profit. But thankfully, I think I went and took lunch then in this consolidation, but I was very happy that I stayed out of trading this kind of choppiness. And then this afternoon, we made new lows and then immediately recovered. And, on this breakout of the VWAP and, breaking above this 61, entered long on this entry. And we captured our full 30 ticks on both contracts. And I was happy with that trade. Just taking my profit, not really looking for a runner. Obviously here I actually could have gotten a nice runner. But with this change, I need to be okay with, not always looking back in hindsight and, oh, wow, look, it would have been a nice runner, and doing that. That is not healthy. So making this change, I just want to focus on, once I have my profit, we'll close the trade and we can always re-enter, but not to kind of have that FOMO and, looking back in hindsight. 2020 trading is never, I feel like, isn't healthy either. So definitely going to have to work through that. But so yeah, we ended the day with, as you can see, basically $52 lost in total. My 3 evaluation accounts, we ended about, 400 something in profit. Now we do have one account here. This account here is now funded. This account on Monday, I accidentally traded this account and I didn't mean to. We were already at the profit threshold and I accidentally traded it Monday, and actually we went below the profit threshold again. But then this morning, traded this. I took one trade this morning and we got that loss back, and we are above the profit threshold, and we will get, this account will become funded tonight. So we will do the paperwork on that tonight. And then these 3 accounts, $430 profit on my evaluation accounts. The reason this is profit and my funded accounts are a loss, I traded these evaluation accounts. I took 2 trades this morning, pre-market, where I didn't take the trades on my funded accounts. So that's why there's a difference there. But all right, let's look at TradeZella real quick. Where are you at? Here we go. So total for the day was $843 loss in total. Again, just kind of a meh day, really not terrible. Obviously not great. Never good to have a red day. But looking at the positive, this around lunchtime, after getting faked out on that one trade, I was pretty frustrated, and I could definitely feel some revenge trading coming on, and I was able to walk away, go take lunch, kind of reset my brain, and avoided taking some revenge trades there. So I guess that's a good thing. And but anyway, that pretty much sums it up. Hopefully everyone had a great 4th of July. I do want to mention the Apex sale. I did get an email that they did verify that the sale is not going to be extended. So it looks like tomorrow midnight, this 90% sale is going to end. So I do want to point that out. Again, if you use my code, I really do appreciate it. Supporting the channel. Thank you very much. But again, just make sure you use someone's code. If you have someone else, another YouTuber that you appreciate and want to support as well, make sure you do that. But just, make sure that you use someone's code. and get that 90% discount this month. And then there's 80% discount the following months as well. So it is a really good sale. All right, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. Hope everyone has a great rest of your night, and God bless.